automated laser welding. The efficiency is twice that of traditional welding. It can achieve small laser beam and high-precision welding, reduce energy consumption and minimize thermal damage, automatically align the welding points efficient and fast. Laser welding has more advantages compared with traditional welding. The welding strength is high and the welding points are smooth and beautiful.
Hello dear, please feel free to contact me for simple.
20 years of HVAC grilles, mass production, consistent quality.